One thing that really keeps a project running smoothly is being able to publish events to the client portal so the client's calendar is filled with the different events you have going on for their project that you want them to see. Now, they won't see any events in your project unless you publish them to the client portal. So let's see what this looks like. We have here in the project dashboard the main project, and if we click on the events tab here, we'll see all the events for this project for this week. Now there's a full view of the calendar for the whole month, but this is just the weekly view. So let's say we want to publish this to the client portal so that they'll see this on their own calendar. So we click on the edit link, and here we have all the information about that specific event. And right here, if the project is on a client portal, it'll give you the option to publish this to the client. So we're going to check that box and click update. And what that does, when we go to the client portal from your designer's view and we click on the calendar tab, you'll see that now this is on the client portal. So if we go over to the client's view and we click on the calendar in the client portal, they're going to see this link right here for the client for their event. Okay, let's go back to the designer's portal here, and let's take a look at another project so we can show you some more things about the calendar and the client portal. So we're going to go to this other project where we have some more information, and then we're going to go to the client portal for it and into the calendar, and we're going to click the full view for this calendar. This is going to give the whole month of the project's calendar. Now, this view right here coming from the client portal is only going to show events that are published to the client portal. But if you want to see events that the client cannot view, basically your own personal calendar for this project, you want to select that and hit submit. And now you'll see all the events that the client cannot view. Now, if you want the client to see some of these events, you can just update them by clicking the edit link, and then publish them to the client portal right here, and then that will show up on the client's calendar. And if you want to see all the events, both published and not published, choose that and hit submit. And here you can see some events say client cannot view, some events say client can view, and that will give you a very good picture of what is viewable by the client and what is not viewable by the client on the calendar. Then to go back to the client portal, we just click this link here. And this takes us right back to the calendar in the client portal.